Hello, my name is Rosanna White. I am the founder of iForMarketing, Illustrating Your Brand. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my Lavender web design package. I have 3 packages to choose from. So specifically the web design package for the Lavender, which is the premier package. It includes everything. So what that has is a 4-page brand book. So your brand book's going to have your typography page. It's going to have your logo page, your do's and don'ts. You're going to have your brand elements. Hopefully you have some of those already, your color palettes. So we're going to put all of that together that you have, and you'll send it to me. We'll put it all together in a package, and then we'll start creating your site map is the next step. So your site map will include 2 edits in this package, and that is your navigation, your user experience for the people who come and visit your website. So, you know, whether you have 1 page or 5 pages, what are those pages going to be and where are they going to be located? So we're going to put together your site map for you. That'll be in a wire. We're also going to include a wireframe. Okay, so wireframe is a diagram that with boxes on it that kind of gives you the sections of your website. So we're going to go over your wireframe for your homepage and one of your other main pages aside from your homepage. So that's going to be your wireframe. And the next step after that is we do a full-on Photoshop design of what your homepage is going to look like. So this will help you really visualize, and the excitement starts when we start putting things in color and visualizing how your website's going to look. Once you approve all of that, we are going to work on your full custom web design. Okay, so that can be your package for your Lavender is about 10 pages that are included, which is more than you'll need. So there's lots of things that come with your Lavender package. This is just the main things that are included with it. It pretty much gives you everything that you need to succeed in creating a wonderful website that we're going to work on together. So that is the Lavender package. We're more than willing to customize things for you, and I encourage you to book an iDiscovery session with me. Okay, so my name is Rosanna. The email is Rosanna, ROSA, at iForMarketing.com. Send me an email. We are going to book your iDiscovery to get started. We're going to talk about your brand and what you envision for your website. I'm going to be with you every step of the way. I am your #1 support system. In the meantime, visit my social media channels. I am on LinkedIn, iForMarketing. I am on Facebook. I am on Instagram, and continue to follow the iForMarketing YouTube page, like videos, subscribe to our channel so that you can see new things. And as time goes by, I'm going to be sharing lots of tips and advice and guidance for you to come up with your brand identity and some tips for creating all the content that you need so that we can build a website for you. Again, my name is Rosanna White from iForMarketing, Illustrating Your Brand.